Hey, welcome back everybody to the video, guys. This is another video I wanted to post about because I forgot to talk about two additional stocks, or additional stock, Intel and VELO. So let's get right into it. Okay, Intel is at $40, guys. It's trading sideways for a while now, but it will go to $60. Okay, it was all the way down $17 range. Average cost of mine is $17. I've been buying Intel for a long time now. Intel is going to continue to go up. Okay, Trump is going to push this up 10%. He's going to push this to 60, maybe even higher. There's a lot of reasons for this. This is Trump's play. Okay, the federal government owns 10% of Intel. Okay, it's Trump's play. He's making money. They're forcing Intel to go up. Okay, Intel is gonna go up. Okay. Yeah. Follow the route of Intel, and yeah. That's what I'm gonna say about Intel. It's gonna continue to go up. They flushed out like some of the PhD engineers who do no work. Just because you're smart, if you don't make money, it doesn't matter. Um, so there's that. And we also have VELO, the 3D printers. The 3D printing is gonna get bigger. They just got a contract from the federal government. Um, Robotic parts can be printed. Everything's gonna be printed from now on to make every single part. Mass How I see the world, everything's gonna be robotic, everything's gonna be mass printing, everything's just eventually gonna be automated. Where you're gonna be living in like a My Sims world, basically. This is what's gonna come down to, and you have to be ready for this, guys. Another one on the list that we can add besides Velo is we can look into Rivian, but we'll talk about that next week, and or tomorrow, and we'll see how that goes. But Velo and Intel our buys. Intel price range 60, VELO price range probably 25, 30. Alright guys, have a good one. That's it for me. Oh, and we'll probably add another one for next video. We'll add QuantumScape. Alright, QuantumScape. Alright guys, have a good one and see you in the next video.